Hi guys, I know that I missed out on the video for the last week. As I mentioned on my YouTube channel page, I think Mercury retrograde really caught up with me a week too early actually. So I wasn't able to use my computer. I didn't have an net connection anymore, and then I had to change my modem altogether. So apologies for not having posted last week's oracle reading. Alright, so we're at a better place as far as the energies are concerned. I'm sure you're already sensing that. And I think this month is all about coming home to yourself. It's like housewarming for you, very celebratory in terms of the energies. So maybe you're starting some sort of office at home, or you're working from home. Maybe you've got a new employment through. Maybe you're changing your HQ. Okay, so all these are changes that one can look forward to. Again, wait until the end of June, okay, because there's more information coming in terms of your personality, how it plays out. You might want to complete that part of it too, and then move on to discussing contracts or changing your place. It's always better when you have the full information handy. Let's tune into what the cards have to say for the week, okay? The first card is Prosperity. That's Archangel Ariel saying your material needs are provided as you follow your intuition and manifest your dreams into reality. Okay, this is the ultimate manifestation card. Archangel Ariel is all about physicality of things, and manifesting, converting something that's idealistic into a more tangible form. This is an indication that her energy is very much at your beck and call, but however, I sense that you have yet to resolve some issues related to your dreams. I sense it as you having all the pieces but still trying to figure out how to put them all together, or the fact that you are waiting for that one missing piece which you can't seem to find. And probably mostly that one missing piece would be something related to your home environment. It could be that you are trying to build a new space for you. Maybe you're trying to sort out some issues or family disputes. Maybe there's some legality or related to real estate. Maybe you're letting out or buying an apartment. It could be something that you're considering where you might be trying to relocate to a place where you think you feel at home, or maybe something that's more comfortable for you in terms of bringing about your dreams. Basically, this means that your focus primarily right now has shifted to the home environment, so to speak. So this is also about clearing that karmic backlog that we had last week. Maybe you have a childhood issue that needs resolution. You need to talk it out. Maybe you have an issue with a sibling, or maybe you have an issue with family. I think this would be the most ideal time to really fully express yourself, how you feel or felt at that point in time. Barring that, I feel that everything is in proper place, and it's very important when you begin with something, you fully know where you come from, and where you come from is where you feel at home, okay? For those of us who've actually signed in the contracts and maybe cannot wait for the bills to be paid, I totally understand that. You might want to just go ahead. But I'm just giving you an information that probably even if you jump into some kind of employment at this point in time, it's very much likely that you'll change it down the lane, okay? All right. Okay, so next card is Patience. That's Archangel Jophiel saying your dreams are blooming more rapidly than you realize. Still, they need nurturing and patience. Okay, just as I told you right now, maybe you need to wait until the end of the month. There's a lot of feminine energy in the flow of this month, and this month is not about logic. It's about keeping the logic with you, yes, but concentrating on things that are more heart oriented. Here's a lady who's actually watering plants, and there's a timeline to how things grow. There's a time where you invest, there's a time where you allow it to apply, there's a time where you look forward to what comes out of it. You cannot override that because you come from nature, okay? And you yourself progress in that state. So if there are times when you feel you need to have shortcuts to happiness, I think that's not advisable at all this month, okay? Okay, they're saying try and embrace the feminine side of you and allow it to lead you. Do not suppress the feminine energy. If you want to cry, if you want to express, do that. And they're saying that you're most likely to feel less accomplished when things blow up on your face just because you rushed into it. So have patience, okay? And this is a lovely energy, guys. I mean, you have angels to support whatever emotional transition you're undergoing right now. Okay, next card is Divine Order. That's Archangel Raguel saying everything is how it needs to be right now. Look past the illusion and see the underlying order. Okay, guys, this is the third card that's actually asking you to look at things from a point of view of objectivity. So I sense that you have some relationship issues, relationships especially where you feel kind of imbalanced when it comes to the way you feel about those relationships. And yes, as I told before, majority of those relationships are in your home environment. Husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend. This is a call for you to actually look into how you feel about the situation objectively, emotionally. And that would normally mean that you sort your emotional mess out without involving the other person. Take yourself out, treat yourself with some retail therapy, or treat yourself to a gala opening, anything that's very arty in nature, anything that kind of makes you feel lost in something more beautiful. And they're saying that beauty is going to be a wonderful distraction for you right now. But again, do not do that just to give a false sense of identity. This is more about you trying to understand that sometimes maybe to have a successful relationship with anyone and to have enough courage to put yourself out there, not knowing whether the same thing will happen or not, needs an appreciation of what relationships are all about. And frankly, it's all about, live and let live. You will live your things and you will let others live what they want. And you will still be there together for each other. This is kind of looking forward to you bringing home what feels right for you, and not in relation with people around. This is you sorting out your own emotional issues by yourself. Okay, they're saying that even people who gossip have their own lessons to learn this month. That's great. Okay, so just avoid those people. I know it might have hurt you so much when you figured out that there are people around whom you trusted a lot who have gone and done things behind your back. Okay, but really forgive them. Don't have to think about them. Okay, so that's what the card says. Okay, next card is Outdoors. This is Archangel Raphael again, saying go outside, get some fresh air and connect with nature to release stress and gain new creative ideas. Okay, I think this week this card is all about you going out, maybe some travel, or maybe you are really getting yourself out there in the collective global scene, so to speak, where you're voicing something that you strongly feel about. And this again emanates from the goddess energy. Like if you look into media, things about women being raped and people bombing where they have no bloody business to do so, you find all of this really discouraging and really theatrical. So this is us globally as a collective putting ourselves out there, coming from a place of justice and compassion. This is also about us in the process serving a larger group of humanity where ideally we wouldn't have bothered about. What we're concerned about right now is righting some wrongs which has been entertained for long. We are having a strong reaction against any kind of militarism, because it's quite contrary to what goddess energy is, isn't it? Because we have for long lived in a society where doing something always has been more focused than actually reflecting on what we do. And feminine energy is forcing herself into individuals where their heart is at a place where they want to observe things and try and study them and try and make informed decisions. Okay? So which is why I think there's this whole incubation period, and in the process I think you will find the more traditional side of you coming out. Okay, so there are certain laws in nature that there cannot be a manual override for that. Take your time, and we have all these cards representing that you're on the right track, but you have to be able to see beyond what's happening right now to decide whether you have to be patient with the time taken for this process to come to fruition, and feel useful about your existence on earth. Go plant a seedling or go hug a tree, kiss your rabbit. Not in a dirty way. There's going to be an appreciation of women in general. There's a new sense of what women are all about coming back into the scene. And we are the epitome of love, of compassion, forgiveness. Men who have their sensitive sides well integrated within their personality can be a good example. The gay community will also be involved in here in terms of being examples. Very grounded energy, message is clear. I will be there with you in writing time for my weekly oracle reading for next week. Okay? I love you. Bye.